The problem states that the area enclosed by the straight line y plus twice x is equal to 6 and the parabola, this one y is equal to 4x square, the enclosed area is revolved around x-axis and we need to find that area. We can use any method and we need to find that area. So I will first try drawing the curves here. So y is equal to 4x square should go like this, something like that, and the straight line, this one is y is equal to minus twice x plus 6, so negative gradient, so it should go like this. And if we solve this to find the intersecting points, we can do 4x square is equal to twice minus 2x plus 6, so 4x square plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0, and then when we solve it we will get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 3 over 2, and our relevant y will be when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, so this point is 1 and 4, and then when x is equal to minus 3 over 2, y will be 9. So this is the curve here. So this is the enclosed area, the shaded one, and we need to find this area is revolved around x-axis. We need to find the generated volume. So what I will do in this case, I will use disk method. First I will consider the straight line, and if from this point to this point the straight line is revolved around x-axis, what's the area generated? I will consider that, and what's the volume generated, so that volume, if I call that V1, and then if I consider the parabola, if that parabola is revolved around x-axis, which will be this volume, so that volume, if we call that V2, then V1 minus V2 will be our desired area, desired volume, because this one is containing all the total area basically, and this one is containing this area, so this area minus that area will be this area, and of course the volume as well accordingly. So let's do the first one first. We will use disk method here. Let's take this is a section, and it will be, the volume will be y pi y square dx, that will be the volume. So y here will be minus 2x plus 6 whole square dx, and x will be minus 3 over 2 to 1. So then we can write it minus 4x square, sorry, this will become plus 4x square because this is basically 6 minus 2x, so then minus 24x plus 36, that's dx, minus 3 over 2 to 1. I don't need to give a plus sign there. So now once it's integrated, it will be 4x cube over 3 minus, maybe I will use black, so 24 over 24 times x square over 2 plus 36x, so that's what this is. I can be written again, 4x cube over 3 minus 12x square plus 36x, 1 and minus 3 over 2. So this is becoming 4, then minus 12, and then plus 36, that's with the 1 here, and then it will be minus 4 over 3 over 2 negative cube, then plus 12 times minus 3 over 2 square, and then finally minus 36 times 3 over 2 minus as well, so like that. This should be 4 over 3 here, also 4 over 3, because this is this one, sorry. So this is now becoming 4 over 3 minus plus 24, then plus 4 over 3 times 27 over 8, and then this one is plus 12 times 9 over 4, and then this is everything is becoming plus, so this is 254 basically. So when so I will write it directly now. 105 plus 35 over 6, that's what it becomes. So this is our volume 1. Then if we look at volume 2, this one will be pi again minus 3 over 2 to 2 and 1, and the expression is 4x square whole square dx. So that will become 16x to the power 4 dx, which is pi here, so that will be 16x to the power 5 over 5, basically 1 and minus 3 over 2. I can write that 16 pi here, and then this one becoming 1/5 plus 1/5 243 over 32, because that will be minus 3 over 2. I have skipped a line here basically, so minus 3 over 2 to the power 5, that would be negative, but the negative sign of this one will cancel bring that positive, so like that. And then we have 16 pi, so this is 32 plus 243, and then here we have 160, so basically we have 275 basically here over 10 pi. Our final desired volume is V1 minus V2, so that one is 105 plus 35 over 6, and then we will have a pi outside here of course, and then this one is plus 275 over 10 here, so that gives us 30 over 3150 plus 175 minus 825 pi, so which gives us finally 2500 over 30 pi or 250 over 3 pi cubic units. So just double check the calculation here, but I think that's it. So this is the desired volume that is generated by the rotation, by the revolution basically. So we have subtracted one volume from another to find the volume, and we have used disk method for the problem basically.